Hey everyone, it's Andrea Logan here. Welcome to another week of my first year on T. I was trying to set up an extra light for this video, but I guess I have to find something else for next week. This week we decided to share with you some moments that we could define as empowering, moments that made us feel comfortable with who we are. The most obvious thing that comes to my mind when I think about this topic is, of course, whenever I am gendered properly. It actually affects me in a different way, depending on whether the person I'm talking to knows or doesn't know about my transition. With people who do know, it's great when they do refer to me with the proper name and pronouns. Of course, it doesn't always happen. There are people who are still getting used to it, and everyone sometimes slips up, which is normal, I guess. But when they do use the correct name and pronouns, even if it's becoming more and more normal to me, it's still a huge deal because it shows me that they care. It shows that they respect and accept who I am and what I'm going through, and this is what makes me feel comfortable and empowered with them and with myself too. When this happens with people who don't know me, I would still call it empowering, since it's like having an external confirmation of what I am. I know we should not care about that we shouldn't need any confirmation from the outside regarding who we are and how we feel. But I guess that's a part of what being transgender means. Not for all of us, of course, but for a lot of us, I'd say. This is especially true to me. I think sometimes our own insecurities might suggest us that the people who love us are not using the correct name and pronouns because they see us as male, in this case, but only because we ask them to do it. So this is why I think it's refreshing and important to get this kind of feedback from strangers too. Okay, this is all for this week. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time with an update for my first month on T. Meanwhile, check out the videos from my past and have fun. Ciao.